Hello everyone, welcome to the series of mathematics lessons. In this presentation, we will study about chapter 3. Linear equations in one variable. In the earlier classes, we studied about algebraic expressions and equations. Expression is a number involving a variable. Examples of expressions are 5x, 2x minus 3, 3x plus y, y plus y square, and we can make much more examples. And examples of equations are equations 5x is equal to 25, 6z plus 10 is equal to minus 2. Remember that equations use equality sign. We cannot use inequality like greater than or less than in equations. Of these expressions, many have more than one variable. You can notice the expressions, we can see many variable, more than one variable. You can see x, y, z, three variables in this expression. However, we restrict the expressions with only one variable when we form equations. The expressions we use to form equations are linear. This means that the highest power of the variable appearing in the expression is 1. Now let us see some of the examples of linear expressions. In linear expressions, the power of a variable is 1. These are some of the examples of linear expressions. We can notice the power of variable x is equal to 1, the power of variable y is equal to 1, and the power of variable z is equal to 1 in this example. Now let us see some of the non-linear equations. In non-linear equations, the power of a variable is greater than 1. X square plus 1, the power of variable x is greater than 1. 1 plus z square plus z cube. You can notice the power of variable z is 2 and the power of variable z is 3. Here we will deal with equations with linear expressions where the greatest power of a variable is 1. Now let us recap what we learned in our previous classes. An algebraic expression is an equality involving variables. It has an equality sign. The expression on the left is called left hand side and the expression on the right is called right hand side. In between there is an equality sign which balances these two entities. In this expression, x is a variable. In an equation, the values of the expression on the left hand side and right hand side must be equal. Now let us take an example. 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. This is an equation. And left hand side and right hand side should be balanced because there is an equality sign here. 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. For what value of x the equation balances. Left hand side should balance the right hand side. We need to find the value of x. If we plug the value of x is equal to 5, 2 times 5 minus 3, 2 times 5 is equal to 10, 10 minus 3 is equal to 7, 7 is equal to 7. This is the only solution for this equation. How to find the solution of an equation? Initially, we assume that the two sides of the equation are balanced. We perform same mathematical operations on both sides of the equation. After a few steps, we arrive to a solution. Solving equations which have linear expression on one side and numbers on other side. What does it mean? Now let us take an example to see what it means. 2x minus 3. You can notice on the left hand side there is an expression involving a variable and on the right hand side there is a number. Now let us solve this equation. We already solved this equation in the previous section. So we will take this equation and add 3 on both sides of the equation. We are adding same number on both sides of the equation. Add plus 3 on left hand side and add plus 3 on the right hand side. Plus 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. So we will divide 2 on both sides of the equation. We are dividing same number on the both sides of the equation. Basically we are performing same mathematical operation with the same number on both sides of the equation. 10 by 2 is equal to 5. The value of x is equal to 5. When we plug the value of x here, 2 times x, the value of x is 5, 2 times 5 is equal to 10. 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. So we balanced both sides of the equation. Some applications. Sum of two numbers is 74. One of the numbers is 10 more than the other. We have two numbers. Sum of two numbers is 74. We don't know what these two numbers are. One of the number is 10 more than the other. Let x be a number. We are done with one part. And one more number is 10 more than the number. And this is the second number. When we add these two numbers, we will get 74. 74. So x plus 10 plus x is equal to 74. X plus x is equal to 2 times x. Remaining 10 plus 10 is equal to 74. Now let us subtract 10 on both sides of the equation. Subtract 10 on left hand side and subtract 10 on right hand side. Plus 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to 74 minus 10. 74 minus 10 is equal to 64. Now divide 2 on both sides of the equation. 2 gets cancelled. Divide by 2. 2 one time, 2 32 times. So the value of x is equal to 32. Now coming back to the question, according to the problem statement, x plus 10 plus x is equal to 74. Now let us substitute the value of x. The value of x is 32. 32 plus 32 plus 10 is equal to 42. 32 plus 42 is equal to 74. You can verify by yourself by adding these two numbers. The content of this recording is borrowed from Karnataka Textbook Society, Bangalore under Fair Usage Policy. This video is presented by Avari Technologies. Please do hit subscribe button to get more content. Thank you.